Today, you have over 300 million people who are visually impaired in the world. But if you check what solutions they have the same two solutions for thousands of years. They have the guide dog and LightKIT. I was actually born in a family where everybody but me has a disability. And that showed me how much technology can help, but also how little technology exists for people with disabilities. I'm the CEO and founder of dotLumen, where we build glasses that help the blind live a better life. We want to achieve better mobility for the blind, better mobility for the visually impaired. That better mobility for the visually impaired results in a better social life, better education, and better job opportunities. We started a company 5 years ago in order to guide blind people. What we build is an immensely advanced technology, but it also is not the cheapest technology. So we need to use reimbursements. Most of the people cannot afford it on their own. They need to use reimbursement or other state subsidies or other programs in order to get it. And that's another thing which we're getting help from the program in order to do this in multiple countries, because even if it's just one market bounded by the same rules, the same regulatory rules across all of the Europe, each country, and in some countries, each region of the country is a little different. And that's where we need support to reach the European market, to make sure that people from all over the European Union can benefit from this life-changing technology which we built. It's absolutely amazing when we have some of our prototypes, one of our rudimentary prototypes, and we see people testing them and they do things which they were never able to do. I learned in this company is that when we are at our lowest point, it's when we have the best breakthroughs. And I remember several points in time. I remember a point in time when we were weeks away from running out of money. Weeks. By depending how you counted them, we already ran out of money, but that's a different topic. We had almost no investment inside to that point, and we had weeks left. It was scary. It was scary. It was tough. It was years ago. In the following 5 weeks from the moment we closed one of the largest investment round in this country, won EIC funding worth 10 million, did 2 videos which got internationally known, and all of that in 5 weeks from the moment we realized we'll probably have to close this. When it's the toughest, when the news are the worst and they continue being the worst, that's when people really get pushed to do the best work of their life. We are a bunch of crazy people with the craziest of them all leading them, and that's me. We're very diverse, from people in their early 20s to people in their 50s, from different backgrounds, different specialities, different academia. One of the things which I'm very, very proud is how we were able to get all of these people to work together. And it's very rare, especially here in Eastern Europe, and especially here in Romania. It's very rare to have so diverse people in the same room. I mean, we have psychologists, we have doctors, we have university professors in physics, in computer science, we have software engineers, we have hardware engineers, we have electronical engineers, we have industrial designers, and all of those domains, which all of them have their own path and their own sense and everything. They all work together here to build one product, multiple products now with one main product line. For the program, we're reaching markets which we are not on yet. We are building and testing and doing clinical investigations and everything for a second generation product, which solves the biggest issues which we had with the first one. It's a much smaller product, much more refined product and everything. So that's some of the things which we're building with the program and then putting it on the European market.